The award-winning Towsure Movemaster is a real game changer, offering a fantastic specification at a low price. With an easily accessible engagement wind air and universal joint on the wind air handle, this minimizes bending down to operate the mover. When the mover is engaged against the tire, controlling your Caravan with the handset supplied is so easy, allowing you to move your Caravan onto your pitch or on your driveway with precise control. Disengaging the mover is as easy as engaging with the Easy Wind system. Offering such ease of use, performance and value for money, the Movemaster scooped the Best Caravan Motor Mover Award in the Practical Caravan Awards 2024. The Movemaster is available as a kit or with Towsure's professional mobile fitting service. You can also upgrade the mover with an optional module allowing you full control of your Caravan from your Apple or Android smartphone. Ideally suited to single-axle caravans up to 2,000 kilos, there's little wonder that so many caravanners fit the Movemaster from Towsure.